True pizza prep units are specially designed with large work surfaces for the most demanding kitchens. Featuring a patented oversized and balanced environmentally friendly forced air refrigeration system, units direct airflow to condiment rail pans to hold food temperatures between 33 and 41 degrees. TPPs are available in a variety of sizes, allowing them to integrate into any kitchen layout. Featuring an all-stainless steel front, top, and sides, and a corrosion-resistant coated steel back, TPPs can be equipped with doors, drawers, or a combination of both for easy loading and unloading. 12-inch recessed handles are standard for both configurations. Swing door models come equipped with PVC-coated wire shelves. The condiment rail comes standard with removable stainless steel foam-insulated covers designed to keep ingredients fresh. A full set of NSF-approved clear insert pans comes standard. An extra deep 19.5-inch white polyethylene cutting board runs the full length of the unit, providing a versatile, sanitary, and large working surface. The interior features an attractive NSF-approved clear aluminum cabinet with coved corners and stainless steel floor. 5-inch casters come standard. Cabinet legs and other size casters are optionally available. True is committed to using the highest quality materials, engineered with balanced, fully self-contained refrigeration systems that provide colder product temperatures, lower utility costs, exceptional food safety, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. True's Pizza Prep Series.